I welcome the order of the Deputy Collector on the demolition of the illegal shed built by Global Ispat in the Kunkolim Industrial Estate. हो इश्यू जो आल्लो आनी कुंकोळचो जो इंडस्ट्रीचो जो इश्यू आल्लो जे इरेग्युलरिटी कुंकोलिमांत इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटान जे घडटा ते आमी सदांच जेन्ना पयलेच आमदार जाल्ले आमी लोकांक प्रॉमिस दिल्लो की आमी हो इश्यू विधानसभेन मांडटले म्हणून आनी सगळे सेशनाक आमी हो इश्यू मांडलेलो एंड we told the government that this Kunkolim industrial estate is a curse on Kunkolkars. There are several illegalities which I have spoken very vociferously in the assembly about encroachments, about loss to the state exchequer through GST, about illegalities, about pollution. All these issues were spoken in the assembly, after which we also spoke to the collector about how these encroachments, particularly about this Global Ispat, how this encroachment had happened. It is how these authorities are sleeping, how government authorities are sleeping, how did this construction come in place in the first place on an area that is paddy field outside the industrial zone. Because such type of illegalities have been happening. The people of Kunkolim, I congratulate them because this is a first victory for Kunkolkars. And I will always highlight all these issues regarding pollution, regarding encroachments, regarding illegalities. And I request to the Honorable Chief Minister that all these illegalities, whatever are highlighted, have to be acted. Otherwise, there will be a law and order situation in Kunkolim, and we are always going to be with the people of Kunkolim. So, इतलेंच म्हणून अनेक पावट हांव सांगपाक सोदतां की जे इलिगॅलिटीज तुमी कुंकोलीम इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटांत आहाय कोताय ते सगळे आमी ताबडतोब बंद उडोवपाक जे प्रयत्न मुखार घेवपा जाय ते आमी मुखार घेतले आनी लोकांकूय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कित्याक तेमी पार्टिसिपेट जाले ऑल द पीपल इट इज अ विक्ट्री टुडे फॉर ऑल कुंकोळकर्स